Hi, this is Bill from the Barry Walter Sr. Company, and you are watching Equipart's YouTube channel. And you can come here for a lot of things because Equiparts has great videos with great tools, with great solutions for you to help you get the job done right. And today we're showing the AK13 Aerator Multi-Tool. There's a lot of individual little tools out there, and you got to kind of keep track of which one you're going to bring to the bathroom. Those days are over with the multi-tool. You'll see their label for your M22s and M16s and all that good stuff, but it's so simple since you don't have to look for a tool. You have what you need there, so it's just a matter of finding what fits on there. It's going to fit your vandal-proof, it's going to fit your inserts, and to keep it simple, it's going to fit your dime, nickel, quarter size aerator. So that's the great thing about this tool. Little hole there, you can drill it, put your beaded chain on there, keep it on your cart, sits flat in your toolbox, perfect. But there's a number of different configurations. You have an insert here that's going to grab mostly your laminar flow aerators, right? And it's going to grab that, and since there's a silicone insert on a lot of these, you're not going to mar the aerator. You got to take it off for whatever reason. You can use that same aerator again and put it back on. So for the inserts, you'll see a number of different, what I'll call crowns and notches, because we know those inserts have all different sizes and different notches, but you just find the one that it fits, and that's not it. But look at, there it is. So I just fit those into that crown. It's going to be in the aerator. I'm just going to loosen it, and it's going to come off. So it's real simple. We just find the one. We go no, 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 yep. And then we just start to turn it. Out it comes. If your aerators are notched on the sides, 6 of these are notched. So again, find that notch that works for you. Put it in there. There it is right there. I just caught it. Put it on. Out it comes. It's that simple. Just go to equiparts.com, go on the YouTube channel. You'll find a lot of solutions, all of them great ones, and this is one of them.